Next weather potential. For right now, the first alert radar, you can see this loop over the last 6 hours as the storms pass through. Where they are now is just off to the east, but it all developed because of this low pressure system moving through the area, helping to fuel those storms. We're looking pretty good at the moment downtown. We're dry. However, just this one tiny little shower remains just north of Kimundi. Otherwise, we're in the clear. The morning storms have passed through the area. However, I am watching Sunday. That is our next first alert weather day. A cold front bringing the potential for strong and even severe storms. I'll have the timing here in a moment. But the latest that it's looking like is late afternoon and evening. But I'll pin down those details coming up. Temperatures, we're going to be seeing them warming quickly. One thing we don't lose today is the humidity. So unfortunately, even when you step outside and the temperatures are in the 80s, it's going to feel a bit hotter just because of how much moisture is in the air. 86 is the forecast high for today. And when you step out at the Cardinals game, lower 80s for today's game at 6:15. We're taking on the Rockies again. For Sunday's game, a bit warmer because it's an afternoon one, 85 degrees. However, I am expecting both games to be dry. The rain holds off until a bit later. And then when we do get the rain, we're looking at this threat level 2 risk out of 5 for severe weather. And some changes to this map that you likely haven't seen yet is that it includes the whole area. Yesterday when you went to bed, just Illinois was in that threat level 2 risk out of 5, but now that includes the metro St. Louis and out to the west. So this means a slight increase in that risk for this severe weather potential on Sunday. So again, we had that late afternoon and evening time frame. The two primary threats that I'm tracking with this are going to be hail and wind. There is also a very low end tornado risk, primarily up in northern Missouri, but we can't rule that out either here. So it is something we're watching as well. So the morning storms, they have cleared out. We'll have a dry day ahead of us. But it's this cold front that's developing over Nebraska with some low pressure. That's going to start to slide our way tomorrow, bringing us that risk for severe weather. Initially, the hail risk is a little better during the afternoon and the early evening hours as we get more discrete cells of thunderstorms. But then you'll notice they quickly form a line as they enter our area. This is closer to 7 p.m. And with that line of thunderstorms, that's where the wind threat is going to be a bit greater. So we continue with those storms through the evening. After it passes right around the 11 or midnight hour, it pushes all the humidity to the south, and then we're going to have some drier air filtering in. So we have to get through tomorrow, another humid and warm day. And then after that first alert weather day, looking a bit better Monday and Tuesday. Our temperatures in the lower to mid 80s with lower humidity as well. Other than Sunday's storm chance, I'm also tracking rain Wednesday and Thursday.
All right. Thank you, Leah.